Okay, so for the Superman problem, we know that we're dropping a rock from 330 meters. The velocity of Superman, that's why I put ds, I just clarified that that's Superman, is 35 meters per second. I'll make that meters. So the position here is x. We don't know x. Our initial position is x naught. The velocity is, this is the initial velocity, and this is acceleration, right? So we have to create two separate equations for this. So here we have x, that's what we're trying to figure out. We're going to set these equal to each other. So we're going to create an equation for Superman and an equation for the rock. X is equal to, so let's think about the rock. The initial position for the rock is 330. Was there an initial velocity? No. And was there an acceleration? The answer is yes. We have the acceleration of gravity. So I'm going to say 330 minus 1/2 a t squared. 1/2 a being, I'm going to use 10. You probably can use 9.8, whatever you want. T, that's what we're solving for. We want to know the time. We want to figure out the time so we can find the position. We can't just go straight to the position. So now I've got this equation for the rock. I'm going to subtitle it x rock is equal to 330 minus 5t squared. Right, I just made that into 5. Now I want to make an equation for Superman. X is equal to, let's look, is there an x naught? Yes, it's 330. Is there an initial velocity? Yes, it's 35. Minus 35t. Is there an acceleration? No. Plus 0. So now, this x of Superman, we're going to set this x equal to this x. These are the same because we want their positions to be the same, right? That's kind of the goal of this equation. So we're going to put these together. We're going to go 330 minus 35t is equal to 330 minus 5t squared. So these 330s are going to cancel out. I'm going to subtract 330 from this side, subtract 330 from this side. And now I'm left with negative 35t is equal to negative 5t squared. Cancel out a t, cancel this out. And you're left with 7 is equal to t. So it takes 7 seconds for these two, the rock and Superman, to match on the way down. If they're both coming down, and for them to match. So now I'm going to take this time, and I'm going to be like, okay, I had 7 seconds is the time. Well, what's easiest? I'm going to plug it back into one of these equations. What equation is easiest? This equation is easiest, Superman, right? So we're going to go, okay, well, the position x, let's scoot it over. Position x is equal to 330 minus 35. Now we know the time is 7. So x is equal to 330 minus 245. X is equal to 85 meters. I don't know if in the question it said from the top of the Empire State Building, and in that case you would do 330 minus 85, and that would get you the top, from the top of the Empire State Building, but this is from the ground. Yeah. So this is the answer if they want the position from the ground, and this is the answer if they want it from the top of the Empire State Building.